Friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy A51, this one, and Galaxy A33, this one. Recognize the mobile phone from the backside of the camera module. The Galaxy A51, which was launched back in 2019, and the Galaxy A33, which was launched back in 2022. So the thing that I'm going to show or I'm going to talk about is, first, let me drag down the QS panel of both mobile phone. Now, if I tap the edit button on the Galaxy A33 5G, you can see the edit option that the One UI 8 providing us. And if I tap the edit button on the A51, well, you can see the edit option providing on the Galaxy A51. Now, see the difference. The Wi-Fi widget and the Bluetooth widget separated. Yes, and the brightest light bar and the volume slide bar also separated. Now see the difference on the One UI 8. The Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth are in same box. Same way the slide bar of the brightness and the volume bar in the same box. On this mobile phone A51, which is actually having separated volume bar and the brightness slide bar, I can actually make the widget of the brightest light bar. If I want to make it small, I can do that. And if I want to make the volume slide bar small in size, actually I can do that. And if I want to bring the Bluetooth widget here, first I have to make the Bluetooth widget in small size, right? And then drag the Bluetooth widget here. The thing that I have done on the Galaxy A51 cannot be done on the One UI A8.0 A33. I can drag the widget, but both widget of the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will come along. I cannot separately bring the widget down here. Now, why the Galaxy A51 having this option, having the customized edit option on the QS panel? Why the Galaxy A33 5G not having this option? Before going further, just let me finish my QS panel editing. Well, finally, I am done editing the QS panel on my Galaxy A51. Now see the difference. If I tap done on the Galaxy A33, this is the difference between the Galaxy A51 and A33. Check out the QS panel of the Galaxy A51, which look neat and clean, also look good. We have a tons of modification option providing on the Galaxy A51 and the A33. This is the QS panel of the Galaxy A33, which does not have the too many options to edit the QS panel. Like, I mean to say, yes, it has some options, but the way if you see on the Galaxy A51, there is a much big difference. Now, how it could be possible that the Galaxy A33, which was launched back in 2022, does not have that much options editing the QS panel. On the other side, the Galaxy A51, which is actually 3 years old mobile phone, comparing it with the A33, A51, which was launched back in 2019, having so many editing options on the QS panel. Now the thing is, first of all, thanks to the developer who port the One UI 8.5 custom ROM, ported ROM for the Galaxy A51. Recognize the mobile phone from the backside camera module. Now this is the One UI 8.5 Android 16. Check out the baseband version. The model number I have A515F. So One UI 8.5 ROM is actually got ported for the A51, and the Galaxy A33 is actually having a stock firmware of the One UI 8.0 Android 16. Check out the model number A336E is the model number that I have. So the A33 5G is actually having a stock firmware, and this mobile phone will not get the One UI 8.5 update. Well, I have uploaded a video also talking about that the One UI 8.5 actually the stock update will come on the A33 5G, but Samsung said that the A33 5G will not get the stock update of the One UI 8.5. it will get only security patch. Sadly, the A33 5G will now stick with the One UI 8.0. On the other hand, the Galaxy A51, which is currently I have in my hand, I have unlocked the bootloader and I flashed the ported ROM of the One UI 8.5 and X16. Now the ROM is actually in initial stage, and the developer, I hope that he will come back. He will start working on this port. Sadly, the developer stopped working for right now, but hopefully he will be back. This was the video only to tell you that A51, which is actually old mobile phone 2019, is actually on the latest One UI 8.5. The QS panel. Check it out once again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others, and subscribe my channel also. Take care. Bye bye.